So we have cos theta cancel. 2 sin theta is equal to 4 cos square theta. Cos square theta minus 3. Okay, all of you. So we have this one 2 sin square theta is equal to 4 into this value cos square theta is equal to what? 1 minus sin square theta minus 3. So 2 sin theta is equal to 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3. You can take this into this side, that is 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta, 4 minus 3 plus 1. You take this side, minus 1 equal to 0. You compare this with ax square plus bx plus c quadratic equation. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 1. So sin theta is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a equal to minus b minus 2 plus or minus root over b square 2 square 4, this plus 16 is there by 2a. So 2a, 2 into 4, a is equal to 4. Sin theta is equal to what? Minus 2 plus or minus root 20 by 8. So this is root 5 minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4 is there. So sin theta is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4, one value. Sin theta is equal to minus root 5 minus 1 by 4, one value. This is the negative value. So you can take sin theta is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Therefore theta is equal to what? 18 degrees. Therefore sin 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay, all of you. We have sin 18 degrees is equal to what? Sin 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. That is equal to what is cos of 90 minus 18 degrees equal to what? 90 minus 18 is equal to cos 72 degrees is there. Cos sin 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 72 degrees also root 5 minus 1 by 4. Then this a is equal to 18 degrees. Then sin a is equal to what? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. We know the formula sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. But cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a, 1 minus sin square a, root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. Cos square a is equal to LCM 16 LCM. Here 16 minus of 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5. All of you. This is equal to 5 plus 1 6. 16 minus 6 10 minus into minus plus 2 root 5 by 16 is there. Then cos a is equal to what? Root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. But a is equal to 18 degrees. Cos 18 degrees is equal to root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. This is equal to sin 72 degrees. So here cos 18 degrees value root 5 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to cos 72 degrees. Cos 18 degrees is equal to root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 is equal to sin 72 degrees. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, we have to find sin 36 degrees value. So sin 36 degrees value, we know sin a is equal to root over 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Here sin a is equal to, if a is equal to 36 degrees, then sin 36 degrees is equal to what? Root over 1 minus cos 72 degrees by 2. But cos 72 degrees is equal to sin 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Then sin 36 degrees is equal to root over 1 minus this value root 5 minus 1 by 4 by 2 equal to root over, here 4 LCM, the division multiplication, so 4 into 2, 4 minus root 5 minus root 5 minus into minus plus 1 equal to root over, this is 5 minus root 5 by, this is 8. So you multiply and divide with 2, then we have numerator 10 minus 2 root 5 by root 16 is 4. So what we will have? Sin 36 degrees is equal to, sin 36 degrees is equal to root over 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. But sin 36 degrees is equal to sin of 90 minus 36 is equal to 90 minus 54 degrees. This is cos 54 is equal to root over 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have sin 18 degrees value root 5 minus 1 by 4 is equal to cos of minus 90 minus 18 is equal to cos 72 degrees. Okay, all of you. Second one, this is sin 36 degrees value root over 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4 is equal to cos of 90 minus 54, 90 minus 36 is equal to cos 54 degrees. Means what? Sin 36 degrees is equal to root over 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4 is equal to cos 54 degrees. Third one, this is cos sin 54 degrees. Sin 54 degrees is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4 is equal to cos of 90 minus 54 is equal to cos 36 degrees. Fourth one, therefore cos 72, sin 72 degrees. Sin 72 degrees is equal to root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 is equal to cos of 90 minus 72 is equal to cos 18 degrees. So we have sin 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4 is equal to cos 72 degrees. Sin 36 degrees is equal to root over 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4 cos 54 degrees. Sin 54 degrees is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4 cos 90 minus 54 is equal to cos 36 degrees. Sin 72 degrees is equal to root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 cos 18 degrees. So these are the values of 18 degrees, 36 degrees, 54 degrees, 72 degrees. Okay, all of you. That's all. Sin 7.5 degrees is equal to root over, this is 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 by 4 root 2. So you have to multiply numerator and denominator with root 2. Then what we will have? This is root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4 minus root 6 minus root 2 by 4 into root 2, 8. This value is 8. Then this is root over 4 minus root 6 minus root 2 by, this value is 2 root 2. This value is 2 root 2. Okay, all of them. But this is equal to what? This is equal to sine of 90 minus 7.5 degrees. 90 minus 7.5 degrees is equal to cos 82.5 degrees. So sin 7.5 degrees is equal to root over 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 by 4 root 2 is equal to cos 82.5 degrees. Next, sin 82.5 degrees is equal to root over this value 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by this value by this is 4 root 2 equal to cos 7.5 degrees value. This can be also written as this is 4 minus root 6 minus root 2 by this is 2 root 2. Okay, all of you. This is sin 87.5 degrees cos 82.5 degrees. Sin 82.5 degrees cos 7.5 degrees values.